At Achievin, we have developed an all-in-one solution that includes a modular application approach for you to run and manage your HR organization. This includes modules that are related to the journey of a prospect of an employee, their talent management, and health and well-being. This solution also provides the ability to track ongoing work of HR teams from managing employee requests to managing HR projects. In our demo today, we will see how leaders and team members use Monday.com to plan, manage, report, and automate that work. First, we will see how dashboards empower team members to focus on work that matters most. Next, we will see an end-to-end workflow of an application taking system. This will demonstrate the power of Monday.com, of receiving data from multiple sources, using workflow to manage actions and approvals, and reporting to inform track and decisions. Then you will observe how, through simple automation, an employee onboarding workflow can be triggered. Once the employee is onboarded, they can set up their goals, and managers can then track the progress of those goals. We will then look at how HR teams can manage the business of HR, from managing HR service requests and leading HR initiatives. So, let's get started. This is a visual representation of data called dashboards within Monday.com. This one-pager brings together all facets of your HR business in one easy-to-understand and presentable view. Dashboards can provide the ability to drill down and filter data in real time. And as an HR leader, you can use this live view to understand the state of the union of your HR business and make timely decisions. This dashboard includes various facets of your HR business, from employee-related information to HR spending, project status, and even the status of your recent employee engagement survey. Let's now look under the hood at the various modules that feed into this dashboard. First, we will look at a collection of data for requisition of request for a new hire. Collection of data in Monday is called a board. Board can be filtered and managed by different views and filters. Users can input data directly within a board or use a form to submit a request. In our use case today, we will look at a request to hire a technical product manager. In this use case, the hiring manager has submitted a request to hire. This request has been completed using a form-based approach, and the request has gone through an automated approval workflow and has now been approved. You can also see different data elements related to this particular request, like an automated generated job ID, a detailed job description, qualifications required for the job, and various related components. All of these components are fairly flexible and easy to configure and customize within Monday.com. I'm going to change the status of this request now to approved. It can be simply flipped using a status dropdown that Monday provides. Now that this request has been approved, we will now post this job and have the ability to post this job in various job boards using Monday.com forms. These forms can be embedded into any website or job board, providing a single source of collecting application from multiple sources. Let's look at a Monday.com job application form. As you can see, this particular form has been customized to the particular role. So when a candidate is applying for the role, they have the ability to see what role they're applying and then provide the pertinent details. In this case, I've completed a job application for John Doe. Upon the submission of this application, by clicking the submit button, this application then shows up in a board within Monday.com. And the access to this recruitment board can be managed using role-based access, and various levels of access can be provided to various parts of the recruitment organization. Once the application comes in, as you can see, we have a John Doe application that has come through with various facets of the application. The recruiters can then manage the application through its various stages, keeping all notes contextually within the application so that all information about the applicant can be kept in one single source. Automations such as email notifications can also be configured to inform the applicant about the status of various stages or milestones, thus providing a great candidate experience and enhancing the employer's brand image. By simply clicking on this bubble, you can see all contextual notes, attachments related to that particular application that the recruiter has put in. And in addition, emails and activities tabs provide the ability to configure and integrate with your preferred email tool. And that particular tool can then be configured to send automatic notifications to the candidate, tracking and logging every single communication with the candidate right within Monday.com rather than looking for those details in your specific tool. Recruiters can shortlist the candidates and assign to hiring managers for them to review, add interview notes, and send offers to the candidate within Monday.com. Upon the acceptance of the offer, an onboarding board for the employee can be automatically created. New employees can track their onboarding tasks in easy-to-use checklists and collaborate with employees across the organization, such as their peers, IT, and others. Let me now show you an example of an onboarding board. In this board, you will see tasks assigned to the employee with a particular status, which the employee can then manage on their own. Employees also get access to a team landing page where they can access all things HR, from frequently used forms to vacation requests, org structure for their team, and other pertinent information. Team members can view team goals and manage their own individual goals as well. As you can see here, we have the team goals, and individual goals are also listed for that particular team member. Each manager can have access to a talent management calibration board where they can manage, rate, and align on employee performance throughout the year. This board can include various information that are pertinent to employee, and the information can be managed through role-based access, so managers can only see employees that they are allowed to see. When an employee makes a service request to HR from the forms that we saw earlier and the links that are provided here, such as HR vacation requests or other HR requests, those requests can then be shown in an easy-to-manage HR request board. This is where HR team members can manage, respond, and track to all requests sent to HR, thus providing a great employee experience and timely resolution to HR queries. Our solution built on Monday.com also includes employee satisfaction survey, which employees can respond to using a simple form-based approach, and data can be tabulated and reported on various using a single source. The results of satisfaction survey can be brought in by team or by department within a Monday board, and then tabulated and reported on. The final module of our solution includes the ability to plan, track, and manage HR initiatives, where it can be, whether it be implementing new policies, changes to the benefits plan, or fund employee retreat. All projects can be managed using Monday.com's state-of-the-art project management capabilities. All the modules within our solution come ready to use with this end-to-end HR solution. To see a detailed demo, you can contact our team by visiting our website via email at curious@achievement.com or by calling us at our toll-free number. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to hearing from you.